Hello, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Epic Adventures community. This is my first video that I'm doing, and I'm just excited to tell everyone that I'm going on my second ride with Wonders on Wheels in a group ride, and I just want to show you today what are the basic essentials to pack for a 2-day bike ride, right? Okay, without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, perfect. So to start off with, first we would need a backpack, a sack, or your luggage bag that you would need. And what I've done is this is a very nice trekking bag which allows us to keep a pair of footwear that's required when you're not riding. Alright, and next, 2 pair of socks, a towel, your undergarments, and 1 pair of nightwear so that you can wear a comfortable clothing in the evening during the bonfire, or if you want to do some activities that would help. Okay, and this one is the rain pant, which is useful if it's raining, if it's pouring cats and dogs while you're riding. Another pair of clothes for the second day. This is a bag, a very good bag, a sling bag I would say, which is useful if you're riding. You can keep your essentials in that, mainly anything that like sunglasses, a lighter, scissor, or anything that's required pretty quick, right? And this is my other bag where I keep my comb, toothbrush, toothpaste, a small perfume that's helpful, a travel kit from Code, and a lip balm. And then comes the medicines, right? So the medicines are very essential because you might miss, so plan it accordingly. Blood pressure, sugar, any of the medicines. Some basic mandatory ones are Dolo 650 and Sporlac, Tuscue, chewables. If you're having cough, then a painkiller, something like Zerodol, muscle relaxation, MR, and a painkiller spray. This is a powder which is very helpful if you're having rashes, irritation in your arms. Then some. Those are not mandatory, but again, that are for me. And this is a kneecap if you're having knee pain. So for example, one could be having back pains, so carry what's needed for you. And the crepe bandage if you're having too much of pain in the legs, you could use this. This is a pair of shoe, and this is a pair that I'm going to wear while I'm riding on day 1. So that's pretty much it. This is all going to get into the travel backpack, which I'm going to just load it into the luggage van tomorrow while I'm on the ride. I'm so excited for the ride, and yeah, look forward to it. You can expect more shorts, videos from our ride. Thank you so much for subscribing. Please do like, share, and subscribe our channel and support the community. Thank you.